Do you want to know how you can activate your Sololearn account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to Programming Basics, our programming guide. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can activate your Sololearn account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Sololearn.com and create yourself an account. Now you can see the Go Pro option or Start Today. So go ahead and click on any one of these and you can see that you are currently on the basic plan. To activate your account, you must either join the annual or monthly Pro version of Sololearn. So if you scroll a bit down, you can also see the Generative AI in Practice. So you can unlock the course. Just go ahead and click on Unlock Course. Write down about your payment method, such as your card number, expiration number, your CVV, which is your security code, the country of your residence, your zip code or postal code. Or else if you want to pay with PayPal, you can just go ahead and click on PayPal and log into your account. After you have successfully logged into your account, you can now pay for the Pro version and activate your Sololearn account. So you can also see some of the annual and monthly subscription plans. You can try Pro for 14 days as well. So go ahead and try this and you can activate your account. So this is quite easy how you can activate your account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.